my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today I want to talk about how to see everyone's posts on Facebook, so everyone's wall. Frankly, there's no way to see everybody's wall on Facebook, but you can always see what they've posted last on their wall. And that's simply by going to Home, and then you're able to see a news feed of what all your friends are posting. So it's kind of like a summary of what everyone is posting on their wall. Just a quick note, Facebook by default will choose the most relevant stories to you, and that's what they call top stories based on the people you've most recently interacted with frequently. But you could always say most recent, which will really show postings of everyone who has talked to you recently, or basically it's going to be a summary of all your friends' posts. So by clicking most recent, you'll just see a summary of all your friends rather than what Facebook suggests is most relevant to you. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach out at www.wandia.info.